What's up, guys? It's me, JC, and today, I spit this come out. So today, that was a weird start of the video, and that. So today, I'm gonna show you all my slimes because I made some more and I lost some more. I gave some to my friends. So now I just got 4 now. I used to have 5, but I gave almost all of them away. So the first one I got, these are all the same ingredients except my clear slime. So my packages. So this is my blue slime, and I made this by baking soda, blue food coloring, and a fork and a bowl. That's all you need to make this one. It's really good at poking too. So that's good. You're leaning on my clear slime because it's on a big surface. So there you go. So yeah, now I'm gonna take that bag. This is the first one I made. This is what it looks like. I like how to make this ingredient because I have all the things. It's not that stretchy, but it's stretchy. If you stretch it slowly, it'll stretch. But if you stretch it fast, it will not. It'll just break. So, see if you. So, it's really good at stretching, but if you pull it like. So, but I didn't get any hair on it. So it's really good at poking. So even makes molds. That's cool. So that's my blue slime. Next is my big green one. I love the green one because it's a lime green. It's like kind of like a green slime, green lime slime, something. I don't know. It's just a lime color, but I love it. I don't like lime though. I don't like lime though. So let me just get all this out here. Yeah, it's a lot more than the first one. It's really big. So it's really good at stretching too, even if you stretch it like fast. Oh, I didn't know that because I never stretch it fast. It's really good at poking. It passes the poking test. And it passes the stretch test, but it does not pass the fast stretch. Let's see. Oh, let me do that again. I think it does work. does work. It does work. Let's try that again. Let me try that one more time. Yeah, it passes the... So... that passes all the tests. The first one didn't. Just passed 2 of them. Let's see. Wait. 2, I think. So, this one's probably my favorite because the first one doesn't really poke that good. But it doesn't matter if they don't poke good. It just, this one pokes better than the first one, which I like. The third one I'm going to show you is the one that I made with glitter glue. This glitter glue. So I still have more of it. Which, it's really cool because it's just really cool. I don't want to mix any of my slimes. There. There we go. This one took longer to make. So, because like with glitter glue. This one I love. Let's see if it passes the poking test. I could hear it good. It's really good at it. So I think it passes that test. So let's see if it passes the slow stretch without ripping. Yep. See if it passes the fast rip test. Yes, it does. Just got one more slime to go, then we're all done. That's all my slime. Not my last one, but my clear slime is my last one. Which is behind you guys. It's not that clear. But I don't care. It's clear, like I want it. So I put glitter in it because I wanted it to look pretty. It passes the poking test. It passes. I don't know if it passes the. That does not pass. Like, even though it stretches just a little bit. See if it passes the faster test. Yes, it does. I do not remember how I made that slime, but that's a bad slime. Guys, just gonna do that. It just fell. So, hope you subscribe, smash this like button if you like this video. So, I do DIYs, crafts, and more. And I do videos whenever I want to, whenever I'm not lazy, but I'm always lazy. I do crafts, DIYs, and more. So bye guys!